guys, it's me, Terry, of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogtober, day 23. Okay, so for my mini project today, I picked a real quick one because yesterday's took me a while to make, and today was my grocery shopping day, so I had to do household stuff as well. So I picked the little maple leaf. And this is a tutorial following Happy Berry Crochet here on YouTube. And I really enjoyed this. I made this in a gold color, just some little scrap ball. It takes hardly no yarn to make. It would be really cute if you needed some maple leaves for fall decorations, fall wreath. You could do it in, I think she showed hers where she had one in orange and one in red and one in, and then she did the gold colored one for the tutorial. And so like I said, you could mix up the colors, and I think it would be a good tutorial to follow if you're looking for some fall leaf patterns. Okay, so on to the trivia questions from yesterday. Number one was, to protect a film's secrets, productions sometimes use a fake working title for movies when they're making them. Which of the following films went under the fake working title of Blue Harvest? Was that A, Superman 2, B, Return of the Jedi, C, E.T. the Extraterrestrial, or D, The Abyss? And the answer to that one was B, Return of the Jedi. The third Star Wars film also went through an actual name change. George Lucas, who initially called his third installment Revenge of the Jedi, decided that Jedis don't seek revenge and opted instead for Return of the Jedi. So, number two question from yesterday was, which book uses exactly 50 different words? That is Dr. Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham. Seuss's editor bet him that he couldn't write a book using 50 words or less. Guess what? The editors lost. Wow. Okay, and then number three from yesterday was true or false. In the original script for E.T. the Extraterrestrial, the adorable alien dies. Is that true or false? Okay, so the answer for that one, true. Children hated the original ending, so director Steven Spielberg changed the script so the lovable E.T. could go back home. Okay, so questions for today. Number one, true or false? The Barbie doll first appeared in an astronaut uniform to commemorate Sally Ride's 1983 space shuttle mission, the first undertaken by an American woman. Is that true or false? Okay. Number two, what's the full name of Wizard of Oz author L. Frank Baum? Was it A, Lawrence? What did the L stand for? Okay, so was it A, Lawrence, B, Lion, C, Lyman, or D, Leonard? Okay. And number three for today, which of the following doesn't belong and why? A, Peter Pan, B, Charlie Brown, C, Rudolph the Reindeer, D, Rocky the Flying Squirrel, and E, Superman. Okay? Okay. On to the Q&A section of the video. Okay, so Jackie of Hooking in Good Company asked me, what are you doing with all the backpack buddies and zipper pulls that I've made? Okay, so the large collection of them that I did from the beginning, like a month or so ago when I was doing it and I had a big collection of them. Well, all of those I donated to Amber over at Ooh Ah Crochet. She was having a charity make-along and she was collecting items to be donated to her kids' school. And so I sent a large collection of them to her for the children there in the school. Yeah. Now that I've been doing these mini projects, I've been collecting some more, and so what I'm going to be doing with them, I gave one to my daughter-in-law who's a teacher to put on her backpack for her school. I sent one to as a happy mail to a friend of mine, and then the rest I've just been collecting, and I will use them as stocking stuffers, birthday gifts. I have quite a few great nieces and great nephews now, and also I can include them in happy mail. The zipper pulls, I will put them on bags, the project bags that I make for gifts or whatever. So I have plenty of uses for them. Okay, next question. Cindy Lawrence asked me, let's see, she made a statement and then it was a question. So it says, you have mentioned your whip wall a few times. Could you do a video showing your whip wall and the whips that you have? Yes, I can. In fact, I have a plan for that. I don't know if it will happen anytime real soon, because I kind of have a plan of dealing with that somehow in my as part of a crafty goal for the upcoming year. And so just stay tuned, because like I said, I will do a video, and I haven't planned exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but stay tuned and we'll see what I do. Okay. Next question. Sue asked me, she asked me several questions. Some of them I've answered before, but I'll just give quick answers, and then I'll spend more time on some of the other ones that are not as that I haven't answered before. Okay, so she asked me, number one, she asked me who taught you how to crochet and at what age. I started crocheting when I was roughly about 16. I think that's how old I was. And my well, she's my sister-in-law now, but she was my then boyfriend's sister that taught me. Okay. Okay. And number two, do you have a go-to pattern that you have done many times? Okay, yes, I do. I have this pattern. I ordered it from Mary Maxim as a kit, and the reason I ordered it, because I fell in love with the pattern just looking at it. I liked the look of it, and I knew that more than likely I would make it more than once, so I thought it was a good investment. And so this is the Annie's Lace Throw, and I will try to see if I can get a good picture of it there. See that? I have made this blanket. It's a throw to go like on a sofa or whatever. I have made it 4 times. I made the first one in this bone color, which was it's made with Karen Simply Soft yarn. That's what it calls for. I've made it in bone, which is kind of a tan color. I made it in 2 different shades of green, and I also made it in this blue color. I really enjoy this pattern. If it's still available from Mary Maxim, I will put a link in the description box below where you can purchase it. I don't know if you can purchase just the pattern by itself, but I think it's really worth it, because it's not a difficult pattern to do, but it looks really nice. I will pop in a picture here of one of the ones that I took, one of the ones that I made, and then I laid it out flat and took a picture of it so you can see it better. It is such a great pattern. It has a good look to it. It's one of those that impresses people when they see it, although it's not really that difficult. If you know how to crochet, it's not a difficult pattern. It's just nice, and I think it's a great gift a pattern to be used as a wedding shower gift or wedding gift, because it just has that heirloom quality, that's what I call it, design to it, and it's just pretty. I just like it, and it's fun to make. In fact, I'm sure I'll be making another one. I will say that Diane here on YouTube, her channel name is Carol Beck, and I'll link her channel in the description box below. Anyway, she has this pattern too, and she used it, not the whole entire pattern, but she used like the very center part of it, and then she changed it just a little bit and turned it into a baby blanket, and it was very pretty. So Diane, I need to contact you and ask you how you did that to adapt it to a baby blanket, because it was so pretty. Anyway, so yes, that's my go-to pattern. And like I said, I will put a link below if they still sell it as a kit, or if I can find it, just the pattern to purchase, because it's a great pattern. I enjoy doing it. Anyway, okay. Okay, and now Sue also asked me, what did your husband and your boys say when you first said you wanted to start a YouTube channel, and also what did they say about it now? I think they were surprised in the beginning when I first said I wanted to try it out. They were supportive, but they were surprised because it's kind of against my nature of doing this, you know, because basically I'm pretty quiet and kind of an introvert. And so they were surprised about it, but very supportive. My husband was like, oh, go for it. If you want to do it, go ahead, you know, and my sons as well. They thought it was a cool thing to do, and I think they're impressed with how much the channel has grown, and so they're very supportive about it. Okay, so thanks for coming by and visiting again today on Vlogtober Day 23. Come back tomorrow and we'll have another visit for Vlogtober Day 24. See you later, guys. Bye.